First question, supplementary.
Thank you, sir. I've asked a very detailed question to the Home Ministry, sir, considering the implementation of the AP Reorganization Act. And I was equally expecting a detailed answer regarding this. But what I see here, sir, is a very insulting and irresponsible answer from the Home Ministry, sir. 9 crore people from both the states, Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, have been looking forward for this answer, sir. And all they see is a lack of interest or lack of knowledge or both, which seems to be true in this case, looking at the answer, sir.
अपना प्रश्न पूछिए.
The question that I have asked, sir, is how much is the implementation of the act, and also the reasons for non-fulfillment of assurances, and what is the proposed deadline? And the answer, sir, I would like to put it on record also. It says large number of provisions of AP Organization Act have been implemented. Sir, my question still remains the same, sir. It has not been answered. We are not satisfied. I would like to know from the minister, sir, is he willing to publish a white paper on this so that people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana know the exact implementation? Because it mentions there are 10 years, sir, but 8 years of it has already been completed.
माननीय मंत्री जी.
महोदय, उत्तर बहुत ही स्पष्ट रूप से रखा जा चुका है. आंध्र प्रदेश पुनर्गठन के बाद आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना के बीच कुछ ऐसे द्विपक्षीय मुद्दे हैं जिनको राज्यों को आपस में सौहार्द के वातावरण में सुलझाना है. इसमें दोनों राज्यों को कई बार गृह मंत्रालय ने बैठकें कर दोनों के प्रतिनिधियों के साथ कई बार निर्देश भी दिए हैं, सुझाव भी दिए हैं. ऐसे मैं इनको स्पष्ट रूप से यह कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि आंध्र प्रदेश पुनर्गठन 2014 के बाद जितने भी इसमें प्रावधान किए गए थे, 2014 में आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना राज्यों के बीच समग्र विकास के लिए कई प्रोविज़न भी अलग अलग सर प्रोविज़न इसमें किए गए हैं, और एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे प्रोविज़न हैं जो उस दोनों राज्यों को तय करना है. तो जितने भी मामले अभी लंबित हैं जो विभाजन के बाद दोनों राज्यों में लागू होना था, उन दोनों पे डिपेंडेंट है. उसमें गृह मंत्रालय केंद्र सरकार का कोई हस्तक्षेप नहीं है. हम दोनों को सौहार्द वातावरण में मुद्दों को सुलझाने का कई बार प्रयास किए हैं. अगर किसी मुद्दे पे अगर माननीय मंत्री जानना चाहते हैं तो मैं उनका उत्तर दे सकता हूं.
मेंबर, सेकंड सप्लीमेंट्री.
That there are issues between the states also, and the states have to sit together, but there are many of the issues which have to be originated from the central ministry themselves. What about the assurances made from the central ministry? What is the status of that? Not one provision has been listed here, sir. It says they are implemented, but how much have they been implemented? If they know that what are the provisions, they could have straightforwardly listed. So I'm still not satisfied. But my second supplementary question is that when the bill was passed in 2014, one of the major assurances made on the floor of the House to the state of Andhra Pradesh was the addition of special status. Because Andhra was getting an unfair deal in this bifurcation, the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji has promised on the floor of the House that Andhra Pradesh should get special status. And the present Prime Minister also in his election campaign and the manifesto also, they have included that Andhra Pradesh is going to get. Now the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he also promised that he is going to get. And now the people of Andhra Pradesh are believing that the special status is going to come for Andhra Pradesh. So I request from the Home Ministry